Hi, I hope you're having a great day. Our topic for this presentation is the step-by-step procedures on how to locate a telecom duct blockages. Duct clearance is necessary before fiber cable pulling or blowing. We will know duct blockages location by the use of duct rudder. This conventional method is called rodding. We can also determine and another person is inside the manhole pulls the rudder out from the duct. Pull out the rudder from the duct. Lay down the rudder segment in an open ground. Determine the length of the segment. Keep the reel moving and stop until you find the tape mark on the rudder. Stop pulling out the rudder from its reel whenever you find the marking tape. Measure the rudder segment using measuring wheel. Measure from the marking position to the tip of the rod. Take note of the distance measured. This measurement is your reference in determining possible position of the duct blockage. On our example, the possible duct blockage position is 44 meters distant from the manhole position. Reset your measuring wheel to 0. Determine the blockage position. Measure 44 meters from the manhole position to the pit position linked to it. Follow the duct route path. Make sure to take geographical information or asset plan on site with you as a reference guide to where the duct route goes. Mark the landing position of the wheel after measuring 44 meters on the ground. This is the duct blockage position. Reset the measuring wheel from the blockage position and measure the rest of the duct length towards the next pit position. Write down position and measurements into the asset plan on hand. Duct blockages can be a hindrance when a fiber cable pulling along existing duct is ongoing. This will cause delay on the work. As part of pre-designing stage, the duct inspections should be implemented by push rodding the whole duct route. Clearing the blockage is part of the civil works scope and should be done first before the cable pulling works. I hope you gain knowledge from this video. Please consider watching my other outside plant and FTTH video tutorials as well. Thank you for watching.